confused about common exception words? Have you heard that term being used and you're thinking, I have no idea what they are? Don't worry, this video is here to help you out. So common exception words sound really complicated. It's a term that sounds very, very confusing, but it explains something very simple. Basically, common exception words are words that don't follow normal spelling patterns. So, words like floor, words like was, they are all common exception words. Now, the government has issued a list of common exception words. There's a list for Year 1 children, there's a list for Year 2 children, and there's a list for Year 3 and 4 children. What I'll do, because I've not quite figured out how to switch over and show you a document online yet, so what I'll do is I'll put a link to that document below this video. You don't need to look at it really, but if you're a bit curious, then head over there after you've watched this and take a look. Now, I'm sure I don't need to tell you this, but children are all different. Some children can read and write words really easily. Some of them struggle a little bit. So please don't panic if your child is getting sent home word lists and you're thinking, oh, they can't spell them, they can't read them, where do I start? That's where I'm coming in to help, because what I'm going to do is I am going to start recording a list of videos. Oh, do you know what? You know what I mean. I'm going to start recording a series of videos that will help you teach your child how to learn to spell these common exception words. I'm going to start with the Year 1 common exception words. So if you're looking and thinking, oh, my child already knows these, don't worry. Just use the same routine that I will show you in these videos and apply it to the words that they need to learn how to spell. The other thing that I have actually got, and again, I'm going to put a link below, I have produced a series of books to help your children read and spell the common exception words. So, believe it or not, I've got one here. I'm just going to hold it up and show you. This is one of my workbooks. You can kind of get an idea of the size if I hold it up like this. So this is one of my books that I have. These are sold on Amazon. If you've got Prime, and that's not a plug for Prime, but if you've got Prime, you can get them delivered without any postage costs. So this is one of my books. This is the Year 2 one that will help your child read and spell the common exception words. It's not just a workbook, there's loads of tips at the beginning as well of things you can do and ideas for activities. You don't need to buy this, you can just follow along with the videos if you want to. It is your choice. But I do have a few things available because, as you've probably gathered by now, I believe that reading and writing are key skills, and if we can all learn them, if our children can learn them, it's a massive benefit to their future life. Right, I'm going to leave it there. While it's sunny, I'm going to head out and walk Dolly, and then I'm going to come back and record my first common exception word video. So I'll try and link it in the bottom of this video. If not, take a look at my playlist and you'll find it quite easily. Okay, hopefully I'll see you in a bit. Take care. Bye.